Hi, I'm Paula from Happy Yoga Wales, and this is a really simple mindfulness exercise called finger breathing that you can do anywhere, anytime that you need it. So I would recommend that you practice this when you're feeling calm and safe. And the more we practice in this way, the more easily we can access these mindfulness tools and exercises when we really need them. So when we're feeling a little bit anxious and a little bit stressed. So hopefully you're in a nice, calm, quiet space now. You can do this sitting on the floor like I am. You can lie down, stand up, whatever is most comfortable for you. So if you're sitting up on a cushion or a block is going to be a little bit more comfortable. Reaching tall through the crown of the head and just resting, relaxing the shoulders down away from the ears and loosening off the jaw here, maybe even licking the lips and bringing a little smile to the lips. And then just take a big breath in here through the nose. And exhale, gently sigh it out of the mouth. And taking one more like that, inhaling through the nose, encouraging the breath to come down to the belly if you can. And then exhale, gently release. So keeping this breath in and out of the nose if it's comfortable. If that isn't, then just breathe any way that's natural for you. And as we move through our finger breathing, moving at your own pace as well. So the idea is that the breath is easy and natural. If that means going at a different speed to me, that's absolutely fine. So sitting nice and tall one more time if you started to slouch, and then bringing your non-dominant hand, so I'm right-handed, so this is my left hand, and you can hold it up. I'm going to hold mine up so you can see a little bit better, or just resting it down. We're going to take your index finger of your dominant hand, and as we inhale, we'll come up the finger, so the thumb, and then exhale, coming down. And then we just carry on, inhaling up, and then exhaling down all the way until we get to the pinky finger. And then we just reverse, coming all the way back to the thumb. So like I said, our pace might be different, that's absolutely fine. I'm going to do one complete round. If you are moving faster than me, then just keep going and we'll pause at the end together. Okay, so when you're ready, inhaling up and exhaling down. Inhaling. Keeping that attention on the sensations of the fingers and the sensation of the breath. And wherever you are, just finishing off your last breath, and then bring the hands to stack one on top of the other, just resting them down near the hips. And just breathing naturally here. Maybe close the eyes if that feels comfortable. And just notice how you feel, your body, your mind, your energy. And so that was a very short practice. It might be that you need to take a few more rounds, but hopefully with practice that will help to bring you into your body, into the present moment, and help to ease a little bit of stress and anxiety. So I hope you have enjoyed this short mindfulness practice. If you have, then please do let me know in the comments below. Share this video with anyone who might find it useful, and of course please do like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon on the mat.